guys, this is Korean tutor Lin. In the previous video, I mentioned the Korean alphabets consist of consonants and vowels. If you haven't watched the consonant video yet, please check the link and watch this video first before continuing with this video. Today, I'm gonna teach you the Korean vowels. There are 21 vowels, 10 simple vowels, and 11 compound vowels. First, let's learn 10 simple vowels. So first one is it sounds as in father. And this one, ya as in yard. And o as in run. And yaw. So with these two, you can see the double line. And if there is a double line, the Y sound is added in the front. So this one becomes yaw as in yarn. And oo as in coin, and you as in yogurt, and oo as in boo. And this one, you can see the double line again, you. And next one is this one might be hard for you guys, but you have to open your mouth wide horizontally. So as in glacier. And the last one is E as in pizza. Okay, so let's practice with the chant. I'm gonna do the first and you will do the second. 야, 여, 우유, 이. Okay, your turn. Okay, good job. Let's do this one more time, a little bit faster. 야, 여, 우유, 이. Okay, good job. So next one is the compound vowels. Compound vowels are a combination of two vowels. And there are 11 compound vowels. I know this is a lot for you guys, but I'm gonna try to explain it in the easiest way. We're gonna start with these 4 vowels. I'm gonna put E at the end of these 4 vowels. So this one becomes A as in ant. And this one, ye as in yes. And this one, a as in ant. And this one, ye as in yes. So these two and these two sounds the same. Let's look at the pink vowels. This O vowel can become 3 other different compound vowels. So I'm gonna put this one and this one together, and this one become wa as in wow. And this one together, we as in weg. And this one is we as in weg. Okay, good. So next one is a green part. So this U vowel can become 3 other different compound vowels. So this one and this one together, wo as in want. And this one, we as in weg. And this one, we as in we. And the last one is put these together, become ui as in we. Okay, we're gonna practice one with the chant. I'm gonna do the first, you will do the second. ye, wa, we, wo, we, ui. Okay, your turn. Okay, good job. Let's do one more time, a little bit faster. ye, wa, we, wo, we, ui. Okay, good job. Now you all know Korean alphabets, consonants, and vowels. In the next video, I'm gonna teach you how to read and make an actual Korean words. So if you like this video, please subscribe me and like this video. Thank you. 감사합니다.